I hear a lot of people on the internet that will say invest $400 a month for 40 years and you'll have $1 million at 65, right? I think that if you can only afford to invest $400 a month, your first investment needs.
First of all, let's talk about the fact that if you have $400 to invest every single month into something, that is amazing. The average American don't even have a $500 savings for emergency.
First investment needs to be yourself. I'm not saying that you shouldn't start where you are and make small investments towards your progress, but I believe in a philosophy called the wealth triangle. And the first thing you have to do is develop a high income skill set where you make you money. You're your first asset. Then from there, you can turn that.
I agree with what he's saying. I agree with what he's saying right there. I do believe you should start with where you are and don't worry about what you don't have. Look at what you do have and make the best of that. It doesn't always have to be finances. Like most people, when it comes to sacrifice, the first thing they think about is my finances, how much money I have, how much money I don't have. But there's other ways to look at things. What are your habits that you have overlooked that you probably can cut back down on? Let's get back into the video.
Turn that high income skill set into a scalable business where people or systems make you money. And then from there, then you can invest in high return assets where money makes you money.
I love the fact that he said you have to get to a position where you make you money. Your greatest asset that you can have is your knowledge. The greatest asset that you can have is in yourself, not working for someone else. And I get it. We all have to start somewhere. But once you really determine that, you know what? I'm my greatest asset. I need to work on my self-development. I need to work on me. Then you'll start to see life from a different lens.